Hello there! In today's video, I will be showing you how to install a printer using a Windows 10 computer. However, if you have a Windows 7 or 8 computer, the procedure is the same. First, click on the Start icon positioned at the bottom left corner of your screen, which resembles 4 squares. Click on Settings above the Power button. Next, a box will then appear on the left. Type in the words Control Panel and it will appear with the icon on the right. Note though that some computers may be different from Windows 10 in that the words Control Panel may appear on the desktop once you click the Start button. Therefore, you may not have to type this in. Next, click on View Devices and Printers under the Control panel. After you click on Printers and Devices, it will open up and show you all the devices and printers that your computer currently has. In case the printer that you want to install is not there, click on the option under the control panel that says Add a printer. Once you have selected the printer, then click Next, and then the installation process will begin, as shown in the example below. Before beginning the installation process, make sure that your printer and computer are connected to the same network. It will automatically scan your computer through either your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable line for the printer that you selected from your network, as shown below. Once it detects this, your printer should be successfully installed on your computer. This should take about several minutes to do. After the installation process is complete, a notification will appear stating that the printer is successfully installed. I strongly recommend that you print a test page as shown in the box below. This will help you to determine if your printer is functioning properly, or in other words, is printing well. Make sure that the page is successfully printed once it comes out of the printer. After doing that, click the word Finish on the computer. You can always go back and double check for your printer by clicking on the Devices and Printers list. The printer you added should be visible there. If you wish to, you can right-click on the printer and select Set as a Default. In other words, this means that Windows will stop managing your default printer. So you will not have to go back and select that printer every time. The green check mark will then appear, which means that every time you want to print something, like I said earlier, this printer will be the one selected. Well, there you have it. I hope that you learned a lot from today's presentation, and hopefully This will help you to install your printer successfully to a Windows 10 computer. I would also like to reiterate that the same procedure should be followed when trying to install a printer on a Windows 7 or 8 computer. I am sure that the information disclosed today will help you to complete this venture successfully. Thanks again and good luck.